Hello everyone. Fatty from Pack-a-Punch Traders here. Gonna make a quick video going over my top 5 plays: CRTD, SPRC, Cbio, Bttx, and Vgfc, all for tomorrow, May 27th. It's gonna be a shorter day tomorrow, and we also have a 3-day weekend, so that might affect some action tomorrow. Might get some things moving on early, so we'll see how it works out. But one thing I got on watch is Cbio. We got this solid push from, we'll call it 40 cents to 150, and here we are getting stuffed in the mid ones and heading lower. Now I'm just going to be looking for a multi-day bounce. I was looking for a 150 breakout today, but that got stuffed, not enough volume as we can see, and here we are with a red day, and now that shorts are in control, we'll see how much further lower it could go. And once we see some signs of bottoming, a momentum shift, we will attack this for a multi-day bounce. And then we got same thing with VGFC here, another possible multi-day bounce. Nice push from 15 to about 46, 47. There we are at 47. Holding up pretty well today, so we'll see how this works out. Previous close 295, so it is up. It is just red based off the open price. So we'll see if this wants to head higher and try to break out, or if it ideally fails and then offers a possible multi-day bounce. We'll just keep that on watch. After that, we got Bttx trying to break out over the other day's high over two. What was that? 238. And we're just having a little fake out here. Still holding up, a low float. Does have overhead resistance where we're aiming to sell into if we enter this around the 240s, 250 area. Would be somewhere in the 270s where there's going to be some resistance, some trouble at 260s. I can see it giving an extra pop to the 270s, 280s. So we'll keep this on watch as it's going to be a low float. And if volume comes back, this could definitely trigger a nice move into the end of the week here tomorrow. So just looking for the failure to break down and trigger shorts to cover and give us a short squeeze. Next up, we got CRTD. This was a nice mover here in power hour. Totally missed it. Had some news. Excuse me. Then we get a nice push from 80 cents to 150. We have overhead resistance and also looking at it as a breakout level at 165. So if we get a hold and a break of today's high, which tomorrow would be previous high day of 150, I'll be aiming to see how it tests 165. If it holds the high, mid to high ones here, this could definitely offer a nice push to the 190s, maybe two. So we'll see how this works out. Not that bad of a float. Definitely could bring in some more volume. Already rotated it. It only traded in 1 hour and it rotated the float. So very impressive. We'll see if we get a continuation of that. That's all we're looking for there. And lastly, SPRC. We got a nice move on this today. Gapping up, taking off pre-market, and didn't really do much. Offered a nice open price reclaim over 306 when it held that. Gave a nice push to the high threes. But besides that, getting stuffed by the resistance at 4. So we'll see if this thing could hold up, come back to 4, confirm that area, and give us a nice push to the mid 4s, maybe even 5. But that's just a waiting game to see how it holds up and comes back to that level. But definitely keep that on watch as I'm really digging that. And I think that was it. I already went over CBIO. Yes. Okay, perfect. So there are top plays heading into tomorrow so far. I'll update the watch list on Twitter. Any gappers and whatnot to keep an eye on. But for now, keep these on watch. Hope this was useful. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders and Tradecaster.com for low-cost live streams. Have a great one.